Good morning, my dear student. Now let's begin our today class. Our topic chapter is chapter number 10, topic trigonometry. Subtopic is height and distance. Open your page number 193. Now we are going to discuss about the height and distance today. For discussing about this height and distance, we are going to use only two definitions, means two formula. They are, the first one is angle of elevation, and second one is angle of depression. Now let's see what is the angle of elevation. Firstly, let me write the definition. Angle of elevation is the angle from between the line of eyesight and horizontal when the line of sight is above the horizontal. Now let's see. Let me repeat once more again. The angle of elevation is the angle formed between the line of sight and the horizontal when the line of sight is above the horizontal. Then there is one angle. It is mentioned about the angle. That means how it's formed the angle. Now let's see. If we are going to look something, we are looking from our eye, not from other body parts. That's why, suppose this one is, let's think that this part is our eye. There is one thing, then this line, the straight line along with the eye, it is called horizontal line. Then again, if we are going to look something, we are looking from our eye, then it is above. There is one object here. If we want to look this object, we are going to look at the upside. Then this one, it is the side line of this side. It is line of sight. Then this one is the object. There is object. Then this line is horizontal line, and this line is the line of this side, this object. We are going to look this object. Then between these two lines, there is one angle. We can see one angle. This angle is called angle of elevation. That means if we are going to look something to the above, there is one angle with the horizontal line. This angle is called angle of elevation. Now let's see again angle of depression. What is an angle of depression? Angle of depression is the angle formed between the line of sight and horizontal when the line of side is below the horizontal. It is the definition of the angle of depression. Angle of elevation, the difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression is only this below. In the angle of elevation, it is mentioned about the above of the horizontal. In the angle of depression, it is below of the horizontal. Now let's see what is the angle of depression again with diagram. Here it is mentioned about the below of the horizontal. That's why the object would be, our eyes will be at the upside, then object will be at the down. Suppose let's think it is the object. There is one object. Then if our eyes is here, then we are going to look to the down. Then again, if our eyes is here, this part is the horizontal with our eye. Then again, we are going to look down to the object. That means this from here, we are going to look straightly to this object. Then again, when we look this object, this one is called line of sight. And this line is called horizontal of eye. Then between these two lines, there is one angle. It's make one angle. Now we can see one angle. This angle. From the upside, when we look to the downside, with horizontal line and line of this side, it's make one angle. This angle is called angle of depression. That means here, the angle of depression is the angle from between the line of this side and the horizontal when the line of this side is below the horizontal. That's why this angle is called angle of depression. This angle is called angle of depression. Okay, now already I told you two definitions as well as two formula. These two definitions will be the formula for the next chapter. That means chapter 10.4. That's why you have to learn by heart these two formula and you have to write down in your textbook. For more detail, you have to open page number in your textbook, page number 193. You can find that angle of elevation and angle of depression. And you have to learn by heart this one, write down in your notebook. And in the next class, let's do some related question with this formula. Thank you all.